Hey, hello. This is a public service announcement. It's basically for anybody suffering from COVID or has a family member suffering from COVID. Now, this is not a cure. I'm not saying that. This is just something to kind of ease it a little bit. Just to not really even get rid of the symptoms, but it's going to make life better. Here's what I got. This was a message that was sent to me about this simple little drink. And from my friend Gordon, who lives in the UK and has been following Kuma's Kitchen for a long time. And he says, my friend, your vanilla milk and honey drink has been a godsend this last week with the COVID I've had. All right. So I asked, can you elaborate? What do you mean? He goes, yeah, I found it hard to even drink water at one point, but the vanilla milk and honey was great. All right. I'm glad to hear that. It is a soothing little drink, that's for sure. And I was able to taste the sweetness of the honey and vanilla. I couldn't taste much at one point, so it was actually nice to be able to taste. So it was nice to be able to taste actually something nice. Well, yeah, definitely it is. I mean, I've always liked this drink. It's just a relaxing drink. So, but I can see where it would be soothing on the throat. I've heard a lot of people say that when they get COVID, it's just like like you say, even drinking water hurts. So this is really soothing on the throat. So I guess it would work. I've knock on wood, I've not had COVID, so I don't know for sure. But I'm getting this from secondhand and people I believe, people I trust. So hey, it definitely can't hurt. That's for sure. So I'll put the link to the video. This was a couple years ago. This is actually quite a popular recipe. Very simple recipe, very easy to make. So you're kind of dragging in there feeling terrible from COVID. This isn't going to take much to make. It just took me a minute or two to make this just now. Well, most of that was just waiting for it to heat up. So really simple. You'll also find it here. Right now it's going to show up at the end of this video. Probably over there somewhere. All right. Or over there. I'm not too sure. One of those two sides. All right. So, hey, make this. And if you are suffering, I hope you feel better soon.